Good morning everybody, it's Taylor. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing another what I eat in a day. I'm so excited. I'm going to be sharing some healthy meals that I've been loving lately. I like to live a very healthy, balanced, non-restrictive lifestyle, so definitely consider subscribing for more health, fitness, and lifestyle content if you haven't already, because our current goal is 3K subscribers and I know we can do it. So anyway, if you are in need of some healthy meal ideas to spice it up for the new year, then don't worry, I got you. They are quick, healthy, and delicious, so I know you guys will love them. And please let me know which meal was your favorite, because I just love to know. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the video, and let's get this day started. For breakfast today, we're making a delicious high protein pancake. So if you have a sweet tooth in the morning, then this is perfect. It only requires a few simple ingredients. So you're first going to need 1 ripe banana and then also a protein powder of your choice. I'm just using this chocolate one by PE Science, but you can use whatever you have on hand. The last thing you will need is 2 eggs. I wasn't kidding about the high protein. This is a really easy high protein pancake to make, and it's so great if you're trying to see some fitness gains this year. I'm always working to grow my glutes, so I really love this recipe. Because this is a very big pancake, it can be a little tricky to flip, so I just try to wait until the whole top is covered in bubbles. That's when I know it's like the time to flip. Now comes the fun part where you get to add any toppings that you want. So I just started off adding some yogurt. I know it seems weird, but it's actually really good. Then I just did a drizzle of maple syrup to sweeten up the yogurt because this is a plain one. And then I also added some peanut butter granola from Trader Joe's for some crunch. I also added some cheese seeds as well as some fresh fruit. I just went with blueberries. And then to finish it off, I heated up some peanut butter and drizzled that on top. This is actually supposed to be like a pancake pizza, so you cut it up into pizza slices, and it's just a fun breakfast. Depending on how hungry you are in the morning, this may get a little filling, so you might want to save the rest for a snack later, or I just gave the other half to my boyfriend and he loved it. Okay, so it is now almost 1:30. I did some work and cleaned up the apartment a bit, and now we're gonna go to the gym and get in our movement for the day. I'm gonna do 9-3-30 on the treadmill just to burn a lot of calories and get in some good cardio. So that's just a 9 incline, 3 speed for 30 minutes. It's actually a really great workout. While I'm on the treadmill, I either like to catch up on some YouTube videos or I'll listen to a motivating podcast. I've been talking about this one on my Instagram story a bunch lately. It's just so inspiring. I love it. So I'll tell you guys about it in a second. But if you're not following me on Instagram, you definitely should, because I post very similar content and I just love staying in touch with you guys. So here is the podcast. It's called The Mindset Mentor and it's with Rob Dial. He has so many amazing tips. I thought I knew like everything there was to know in personal growth, but you know, after listening to this, I can clearly say that I do not know everything, and there's just so many tips that I have been learning from this. So yeah, if you're into personal growth content and you're looking to level up for 2022, then I would 100% recommend checking out that podcast. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you guys that I actually have an official gym bag now. I'm done using my little backpack that is just not for the gym. It doesn't fit any of my stuff that well, so I'm so glad that I have this now. I got it for Christmas from my mom. It has like a marble pattern on it and it's super cute and very convenient because it actually holds all of my stuff really well. So I'm trying to open this one-handed. Let's see, okay. So I have my barbell in there and it fits perfectly because this is actually a long bag, unlike my backpack. So yeah, my chewed up barbell cushion, thanks to Nala. And then I also have my resistance bands in here, as well as some ankle attachments to do like donkey kicks and stuff like that with weights. Also, how cute is this workout set from Gymshark? The back of it is so flattering. I'm obsessed. And I just love having like this this little like cropped long sleeve on top just because I don't like to wear just a sports bra to the gym, so this makes me feel a lot more comfortable, but I can still show off the cute sports bra. So it is a win-win. All right, I'm gonna stop stalling. Let's go get this workout done. Okay, we survived the gym. Now I am very hungry. It is, what time is it? It's 3:02, so I'm gonna make some lunch. We're gonna be making some really yummy barbecue cauliflower wings or buffalo. I haven't really decided which ones I'm going to make. I do like to incorporate a lot of meatless meals into my lifestyle as well because I'm not vegan or vegetarian, so I just like to do my part and be a little bit more moderate with my meat intake, but I also do really enjoy those meals as well, so it's a win-win. And then I'm just gonna do like a really simple but delicious side salad with it. I promise it is so good. The dressing is just phenomenal, so let's make it. Okay, so I had Arie vote and he voted for the barbecue, so I'm just using this one from T. Joe's. It's super good. Also, these cauliflower wings are made in the air fryer, but you could definitely bake them in the oven if you don't have one. But I would highly recommend that you get yourself an air fryer because they really are the best. I use it so much. I probably use it at least once a day because they're just so convenient and make cooking a lot easier and a little bit more fun, if I'm being honest. Okay, I'm too hungry right now. I cannot wait until I finish making lunch because I'm just that hungry. So I'm gonna have one of these protein balls in the meantime. I made these the other day and they are incredible. They have really clean ingredients and they're just a really nice snack or dessert. I'll have the recipe for these linked in the description in case you want to make them. Somehow I managed to fit all of this cauliflower in here in a single layer. I didn't think it was going to happen, but luckily it did. So we're gonna cook this now at 380 degrees for 12 to 15 minutes. I'm gonna check it at 12 minutes because it's supposed to be at 375, but my air fryer doesn't go to 375, so we're just gonna make it a little hotter and probably cook it for a little less time. While the wings are cooking, I'm gonna prepare the salad. So for the dressing, you just need some honey, some olive oil, and some apple cider vinegar, but I never have any on hand, so I always just use rice vinegar and it works perfectly. Also, I'm very sorry if my air fryer is super loud right now, but then you just need some butter lettuce. This is like my new favorite lettuce. It is so delicious. Then I'm just gonna cut up some tomatoes to throw on there as well. And lastly, top it off with some Parmesan cheese. Alright guys, here is the finished dish. We got our barbecue cauliflower wings. They look so good. We got our yummy salad, and then I also threw some pumpkin seeds on the side because I felt like it wasn't enough. I thought I had way more cauliflower than I actually did, but this still looks like a good amount and it looks very delish. Keeping it real here, I'm about to enjoy some Funyuns and play some Minecraft. This is the Saturday vibe. And like I said, I'm not restrictive, so I don't mind having these, but I definitely don't have them all the time. And I do feel better eating them if I know that I worked out and I eat better the rest of the day. Okay, so basically my latest obsession is sushi bowls. I cannot get enough of them. I've been making them probably way too much. And I showed you guys in my recent vlog, I believe, a recipe that's very similar similar to the one we're making tonight, but this one is teriyaki shrimp. They are just so easy to throw together and they are incredibly delicious. If you've been subscribed to my channel for a while, then I'm sure you can tell that one of my main food groups is seafood. I'm just obsessed with it. So if you don't like seafood, then I'm sorry, we cannot be friends. I'm just kidding. But if you want, you can totally sub chickpeas or chicken. That would work perfectly well too. First things first, we're gonna make some jasmine rice. If you guys remember, I used to only buy frozen rice, just like frozen bags of rice that you heat up in the microwave for like 3 minutes, but I actually stopped buying that. I haven't bought it in a long time, and now I just make it on the stove, and it's actually so freaking easy. I don't know why I wasn't doing this before. I just thought it was a lot of work, but it's actually super simple. I'm really glad that I started doing this because I feel like the rice just gets a lot fluffier and it's a lot more flavorful than the frozen rice. I just kind of stopped liking it. I felt like it started tasting really weird. So yeah, I'm just glad that I started making it this way instead because it tastes better. Also, a little hack to make cooking a little more fun is to throw on your favorite TV show or a movie while you're cooking and just have it there to help pass the time. It's my favorite thing to do. All right, so the shrimp is cooking right here in some olive oil. We're about to add in some minced garlic. This is just 2 cloves of minced garlic. And then lastly, we're gonna add in our teriyaki sauce. I just discovered this one from Trader Joe's. It's so good. It's their Trader Joe's San Soyaki. I don't really know, but you can get it at Trader Joe's and it's fire. I'm just gonna like eyeball this. That's usually what I do. Probably about like a 1/4 cup.
Saw you from across the room. When our eyes met, I never knew that I could feel this way, and it's kinda strange. Don't even know your name.
I really wish I could give you guys a bite of this. It is insanely good. It's so flavorful and just my favorite thing ever. We are not quite done yet. We still have some dessert to have, and I've had to share my new favorite one with you guys. It is so incredibly healthy. I don't know why I didn't know about this sooner, but it's the best thing to curb your sweet tooth. It is fresh mango. So Arie and I cut up 2 fresh mangoes yesterday, and we just put it in a container to have in the fridge, and then we'll snack on it for a dessert. If you've had mango before, I'm sure you realize how addicting it is. It is so tasty. And it's super sweet, which is why it's perfect for dessert. It is so juicy and refreshing. It kind of like melts in your mouth. It tastes like heaven. I could literally eat this whole thing, and it's just fruit. So it's just like the healthiest dessert that you can get. So there you have it, guys. Another great day of eating. Everything was so delicious. Eating healthy does not have to be boring. You just have to find the right recipes, and there's so many on Pinterest. That's actually where I get all of my ideas for the most part. Sometimes I'll see some on Instagram, but for the most part, I do find them on Pinterest. Anyway, I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I had a great time filming it. I love these types of videos. Please let me know which meal was your favorite. I would have to say mine was probably dinner, and Arie said his was lunch. So yeah, I'm obsessed with the dinner recipe. It's top tier. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much. I hope you have an amazing week, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.